MKA IJTEMA USA 2015.
So what we're going to do is we're going to show you a short video of the MTA clip that featured that journey to London. Then we're going to scroll through some pictures, and while we're scrolling through the pictures, we're going to be talking to some of our brothers here about that experience. Just to give you a small taste of what our memories were like while there in the presence of Hazrat Khalifa Masih, and the way in which it obviously elevated our spirit and elevates our majlis. So I'm going to ask them after that to go ahead and begin the video.
On the weekend of April 3rd, nearly 200 Muslim youth from all across the United States traveled to London, England to visit the 5th Khalifa of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad. The trip was organized by the leading Muslim youth organization in America known as Majlis Khuddam-ul Ahmadiyya. The group began their weekend activities with Friday prayers at Beth el Mosque in Morden, England, where they were joined by youth from Canada and Mexico. Saturday afternoon marked the highlight of their visit as they were in the company of His Holiness for nearly 2 hours. All those present had a chance to introduce themselves and then participate in a Q&A session on various topics. Following their meeting, a historic initiation ceremony took place in the adjacent Fazl Mosque. 6 new converts, along with hundreds of others, crowded the mosque to offer their covenant of allegiance to His Holiness, the 5th Khalifa of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. Those who join the Ahmadiyya Muslim community must conform to 10 conditions as set forth by their founder, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, the promised Messiah. On this occasion, His Holiness stressed the need to give precedence to your faith over worldly matters. The young men were then treated to a special dinner reception, where elders of the community also attended. On Sunday, the men had an opportunity to visit the community's religious school for training missionaries. They also visited an area known as Hadiqatul Mahdi, which transforms into a mini-city during their annual convention, drawing over 30,000 people annually. Last on their tour was the burial site of the community's 4th Khalifa. The Muslim youth group felt very fortunate to have had this opportunity to make such a historic and spiritually uplifting trip.
When I found out that Hazoor had extended the invitation, I instantly said at any cost, I'm in school and I'm in work, but I said this is such a historic and amazing opportunity that nothing will really stop me from going.
It is my first time coming here. I've never been to the UK, never been to Bethel, but honestly it's a great experience.
We had the opportunity as an alumni to visit London, and when the idea was proposed to us, I was taken aback because of what the expense would be, that's been involved in making a trip to London. Up to that point, I had gone once, and it was for the Janazah prayer of Khalifatul Rabi and the inauguration, and had never gone before, and just the idea of it was just, just financially, it just seemed so much. And, but I said, okay, our opportunity to meet our Khalifa, to present ourselves before him and get that response. I paid for the ticket. Somehow, miraculously, my bank account adjusted, things worked out, and by the time this next opportunity was coming up, everything had been cleared, and somehow my finances had come back to balance.
Directed by the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community YouTube channel. Please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.